What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we're gonna walk through a revamped model for the MasterCraft lineup. This is a 2024 MasterCraft XT25. So let's climb inside and point out some of the awesome highlights of it. So inside here in the cockpit, you'll see that we have a ton of space in here. This boat is extremely spacious, room for all your friends and family. As you see here at port and starboard, we do have the pop-up seat backs as well. I like this option because in lieu of using the reversible seat, you still have seats to face backwards while not clogging up the cockpit in here as well. You have the seat deck flooring option with the new gunnel seat deck on top. So you have this forward on the bow as well back here. So couple great things that they've upgraded for 2024 for you guys to look out for. So up here in the bow, you'll see that this is an incredibly spacious bow. Plenty of room for two adults up here. Sitting down, my feet don't even touch anywhere. So you got plenty of space up here. Gonna be a great thing if you get the bow filler cushion as well. That's gonna make this an awesome playpen seating arrangement for you guys. And you'll see on this XT25, we do have the option for the dual screen setup here. This is super easy for you guys to use. Getting into surfing, 2 clicks, click a button there, it's loading up your surf wave for you. Up top, this one does have the awareness cam option on there. Huge for the driver, so you can still be standing or sitting looking forward, but still have eyes on your rider while you're driving. Another great option on this is going to be here in the settings. You do have training videos preloaded in there. So if you have questions while you guys are on the water, you can look at those and get some answers for some of the questions you have. Thank you guys for checking out this XT25 with me today. We do have more 2024s rolling in every day, as well as awesome 2023 still available. So hop on our website at marinemax.com to check out all of our inventory. If you guys have any questions outside of that, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.